The most expensive disasters in the history of enterprise tech typically involve SAP or Oracle, but take that with a grain of salt because by definition or by design, most of SAP and Oracle's customers are really big companies that if they're going to fail in their projects, they're going to fail spectacularly because they're such big companies, and you're going to see huge price tags like hundreds of millions of dollars, in some cases over $1 billion spent and lost on a failed digital transformation. And when it's a publicly traded company or a public institution that people have heard of, you're just going to hear about it more, and it's a lot more likely to be a big deal than the average, small mom and pop manufacturing shop down the street that no one's ever heard of. And it is not going to fail nearly as spectacularly, but for them, relatively speaking, it can still be a complete disaster and enough, in some cases, put them out of business. But generally, you don't hear about that in the same way you hear about the big SAP and Oracle failures. So that's the caveat I'd say is yes, there are, I'd say, more big dramatic SAP and Oracle failures than anything, but I couldn't tell you how much of that is due to the software as it is the nature of the customers.